our channel. We're in the evening. It's 8:28 p.m. So if you notice, it's a little gray outside. This is when it's very difficult for your eyes. It tires them. So you have to be careful. Also, up ahead, the signs, notice the sign on the right, the green sign. It's saying Route 7 West, Leesburg, Winchester, left 2 lanes. Okay? I'm looking in my rearview mirror. There's a pack of cars behind us, but I'm like between 2 groups of cars. I'm going to go over to my left lane. It's the fast lane. But if you look at the sign right there, the green one, the left 2 lanes are going west. The far right lane is going to the east and just left. Now we're down to 2 lanes. I'm looking up ahead. Truck has its brakes on. My foot's off the gas. That's your first brake. That means your car's slowing down. I'm not going to put my foot on the brake unless I have to, or I get too close. We're going around the curve. Now up ahead, there's a yellow diamond in the trees. It's saying merge left because the right lane's ending. Then you have another diamond that's showing you, there's a picture of it, that the right lane ends. And then you have an arrow in the right lane showing the cars that the right lane's coming over. Notice the car that passed me on the right at the last minute, they waited till the very end to come over. You do not want to wait till the end to come over, because you might not be able to. Now, notice the dots on my left. That means I'm in the exit lane, but I'm also in the merge area. So my left signal's on. I'm checking my mirror. I look over my shoulder. There's no car, so I'm coming in out of the merge lane. Because if you look at the green sign, by the bottom it's yellow with 1 black arrow saying exit only. So that right lane with the dots, where the blue car is gonna exit up to the bridge. And notice I didn't wait till the end. I came over before the cars came up and before the merge area ended. If you can, do not wait till the end. That just puts more pressure on you. And if a car's there, you won't be able to come over. So you want to come over when it's possible. Now, I'm looking to the right. Notice the yellow diamond. So there's a lane coming in from the right. Now, if you look to the right, there's a black truck. Okay? He doesn't have a signal on, but I'm assuming that he's going to come over at some time. Unless he's going to the next bridge. Because that merge lane goes from bridge to bridge. It's a nice long merge lane. But notice, and see, now he's coming over. Kind of in between the bridges, which is fine. But we still have to watch that car, that little car that's in front of him to the right. Because there's no signal on. I'm assuming that they're going to go and exit. Now, I'm going to back off from the truck. The speed on this road is 55. I'm going 52. But for every 10 miles an hour, you at least want a length of a car. So over 50, I'm going to give myself 6 to 7 lengths of a car to that black truck. Which about where I'm at now. Now, notice the yellow diamond to the right. It has 2 black arrows. So the line doesn't come into the left arrow. You have 2 arrows side by side. Because this merge lane on the right goes up to this bridge and then goes to the right. And notice it's yellow on the sign on the right. It says exit only with a black arrow. So that right lane is going to exit before the bridge. And there's the exit on the right at the little green sign. Now, notice the left sign, it says Belmont Ridge Road, exit 1 mile. That's the road I'm going to take. I'm going to exit on the right, and I'm going to go north, which is also on the right. I've got my 6 to 7 car lengths. No cars coming on from the right. Now, if there was a car coming in from that lane and they were accelerating, I would just back off a little bit. Okay, I'm looking up ahead. About every 10 to 15 seconds, I glance in my mirror, see what's behind me. So if there's an issue in front of me, I know which lane is available. Okay, now I'm going to put on my signal about 150 feet. I'm going to exit here, about my 5th dot. That keeps me away from the curb. Also gets me in at the beginning of the exit lane. Now that exit 25, the yellow sign, is for the top of this hill. I'm going to go north. I'm going to put my signal back on about 150 feet. Go into my 4th dot. And I'm going to go to the right. I'm going to keep the right side of my car by the white line on the right. And notice once I get the curb, the white line disappears. I have a turn lane, so I'm going to keep moving. I'm going to go up to the light and make a right. So I'm going to stay in this lane. There's the arrows and the word only. I'm going to put on my right signal. Now I have a green, so I'm looking for, there's a pedestrian on my right.